Why have this when you can get a great-looking, cost-effective job like this with Arlington's TV Bridge Kit? It includes 2 power low-voltage combo boxes and all the connections you need to install a flat-screen TV beautifully in an existing wall. Fast, easy, and convenient, TV Bridge saves time and money and looks good too. Just cut 2 holes in the wall and access power from an existing nearby source. There's no need to run cable from a panel box or cut holes in your framing members. Start by locating the studs and install the combo boxes in the same stud cavity. Place the upper box behind or close to the installed TV bracket. Put the lower box within a few feet of an existing receptacle or the power conditioner for the installation. Pull a length of NM cable long enough to reach the 2, then pull the low voltage coax or other wires and install the plates. Arlington's TV Bridge Kit gives you everything you need to quickly and easily install the 2 combo boxes and make the connections to an existing power source or conditioner.